You all know how to trade a bull flag pattern in uptrend, but nobody tells the secrets about how to trade a bull flag in sideways and downtrend market. Interesting, huh? In today's video, I'll share with you the right way to spot bull flag patterns so that you'll never second guess yourself ever again. How to find high probability bull flag pattern setups. 3 bull flag pattern strategies that work both in bull and bear markets. You pumped? Then let's get started. You already know what it is and how it looks. It's a freaking popular chart pattern after all. Imagine I'm showing you 2 white shoes. What if I told you that Nike manufactured shoe A, while some unknown brand manufactured shoe B? You'd probably pick the shoe that Nike manufactured, because you know it's proven to be built to last and can go the long distance. It's the same for trying to look for a bull flag pattern. Just because you spot a flag pattern, it doesn't mean that it's set up to be a high risk to reward setup. For all you know, the bull flag pattern is also formed in an existing downtrend. Not only downtrend, it also formed in range-bound market. That's why I'll discuss about 3 types of bull flag pattern that can give you daily profit. Bull flag pattern plus uptrend, bull flag pattern plus below resistance, bull flag pattern plus trend reversal. Confused? Let me show you what I mean and how versatile this one chart pattern could be. You'll many times hear some traders saying, "Ah, damn it, I missed the breakout. I'm going to have to wait for a pullback." Actually, they wait for a better price to enter in the trade with strong confirmation. This is the same pattern what all YouTubers spoke about. But my secret is coming. In this pattern, some points you have to keep in mind. First, a strong uptrend have to be established. Second, pullback should be above 50% of Fibonacci retracement. And pullback should be above moving average. For short-term trade, use 20 moving average. For medium-term trade, use 50 or 100 moving average. For long-term trade, use 200 moving average. Any candle cross above the flag pattern, you will enter in the trade. Stop loss will be below flag. Trail profit and stay in the trade as per your appetite. Next 2 setups, no YouTuber talked about. Actually, they don't know. I'm sure you agree with me. Range market is one of the most challenging market conditions to trade. With this strategy, your technical analysis skills will be tested. As this strategy is a range breakout strategy, you need to identify range market and spot where their support and resistance are. But what if there's a way you can predict that the range going to turn into an uptrend? Simple. During a range, wait for the price to form a bull flag pattern below or above resistance. It tells you that the sellers are having difficulty pushing the price away from the resistance area and that buyers are willing to sustain the breakout. Any candle cross above the flag pattern, you will enter in the trade. Stop loss will be below flag. Trail profit and stay in the trade as per your appetite. Now how about downtrends? How can you spot potential trend reversals with the bull flag pattern? Find out next. You remember, I shared with you that there are 3 types of trends. Well, this is our last technique, trend reversal. You'll be able to capture trend reversals easily, even if they are short, medium or long-term downtrends. Yes, downtrends, since we're going to use the bull flag pattern to spot trend reversals. Now the first thing you need to do is to spot a downtrend and draw a trend line. Wait for the price to break its trend line resistance. Second, wait for the price to form a bull flag pattern. Once the bull flag pattern is formed, not only it shows you the structure of the downtrend has been broken, but it also shows you that the trend reversal is sustaining, therefore telling you that an uptrend is about to occur potentially. Any candle cross above the flag pattern, you will enter in the trade. Stop loss will be below flag. Trail profit and stay in the trade as per your plan. Now, you probably have this question in your mind right now. Does it work in Nifty and Bank Nifty? Yes, it does. Does it work for any time frame? Any time frame from 5 minutes to 1 month. Does it work for crypto forex? Yes, it does. But one thing I want you to listen carefully. Apply risk management. Apply money management. Execute your trading plan consistently. If you think this video valuable to you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading.